Good day, subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am Jeremy. This is the Financial Education Channel, and today we're talking about a weird subject. We are talking about why I am happy. You heard me right. Happy GoPro shares have gone down. As you guys probably all know on this channel, I'm down well over 30% on my GoPro position right now. I own shares in GoPro. I own 2018 call options in GoPro. I own 2019 call options in GoPro. Heavily invested in GoPro. I'm down tens of thousands of dollars, literally tens of thousands of dollars. So we're not talking about like small money. We're talking about big money. And that all sucks. Like, I would never plan to try to lose that much money. Like, that sucks. And who knows if I'll even get it back. We never know. We'll just have to see how time goes, guys. But there's three main reasons why I'm super happy this is. It's like a bittersweet situation. Like, one side of me is like, this sucks. I've lost tens of thousands of dollars that who knows if I'll recover from. You know, it's all going to depend on GoPro's share price over the next, year. In the 2018 options, that only has about six months left, right? The 2019 ones, that has about a year and a half, and then my shares, obviously, I can hold those for as long as I want, right? So that sucks, but at the same time, there's three main reasons why I'm really happy that GoPro shares have gone down massively, guys. So let's talk about all these three today. So number one, and this might be the biggest of all of them, it's gonna help with avoiding the follow the leader thing, I call it. So basically, I have this channel, right, which gets tons of views. I have the 4 Stocks I'm Buying series, which gets 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 views. Like, we're talking a ton of views, right? Those videos. In those videos, I talk about the stocks I'm buying, right? The worst case scenario would be if GoPro was up over, let's say I was up over 100% on GoPro right now. Like, I'm just killing it on GoPro. And let's say also, well, we know Wynn Resorts I'm up over 100% on, right? So let's say both of those just kicking ass, taking names. I'm just making money hand over fist, right? Everybody's getting to see this. Everybody's getting to see this. As far as that follows the channel, that's those 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 views on those videos. Everyone's seeing this, right? Say that's the scenario. Everybody would be looking at me like a god right now. Everybody would be like, holy smokes, this guy is freaking killing it. The 2 stocks he talks about more than any other, he's just dominating on those. He's a freaking investing god. He's above everybody. Look at the way he's doing on these 2 stocks, right? That's the way people would be looking at me that know a lot about investing, and mostly people that don't know much about investing. They would be looking at me like that, like, oh my gosh. What you would have then is you would have everybody waiting on my next stock position. So, who knows, maybe I would have kicked GoPro out and added a new stock. Massive amounts of people would have been like, oh, this is the next hot one, right? Now imagine if that stock went down 30, 40, 50%, guys. Imagine that. We'd have a massive amount of investors killed because they would have saw what I did with GoPro and Wynn, right? Made all this money. Let me throw money into this because it's natural. You see someone that just, they can't miss, right? And they're just, doing so great. You just want to stick your money in whatever they're doing, right? Because, oh, that makes sense. And it's the easiest way to go, right? Who wants to do all that research? Who wants to read all those annual reports and 10Qs and everything, right? Who wants to go through all that? Not everybody wants to do that kind of work. It's much easier just to see someone having, an extreme amount of success and stick your money in whatever they're sticking their money in, right? I mean, there's people that literally, they stick their money in whatever Warren Buffett owns. So like Warren Buffett will come out, I own stock A, B, and C, they'll put their money in that stock. Like Carl Icahn, same deal, they'll put their money in that stock. We'd have that scenario going on right now if I would be killing it on GoPro and Wynn. Now, this scenario, it's made people, I always want people to fish for themselves. I want to teach people how to fish on this channel. That's the main thing. I don't want to go catch the fish for everybody. I don't want to go catching fish for everybody because then no one learns, right? If I go out and catch everybody's fish, what happens when I leave? No one knows how to fish, and then they're all screwed, right? They're all going to die. So that's a problem. So by GoPro going down, this is like, oh, you know what? Jeremy, he's doing great on his Wynn, but look at his GoPro. He's doing horrible. So I shouldn't just, throw my money in whatever Jeremy's throwing his money into. And I think that's actually a very good thing that people will actually look at it logically and be like, you know what, look at that position, he's doing great. Look at the other position, he's doing bad. Let me just not throw all my money at whatever Jeremy's. Let me try to make my own decision and decipher my own information. And that is huge, guys. So that is the main reason I'm happy with this, because trust me, if I was up huge on GoPro and win, everybody would just be throwing money at whatever stock I'm buying, guys. And that would be a bad thing in the end. And that's totally something I'm against at the end of the day, guys. Number 2 reason is it built credibility in the channel. It built credibility in me. What you have is you have a lot of people, right, in the financial landscape, business, whatever they're trying to teach. They just want to teach about the good stuff. They just want to talk the good stuff. They want to either act like they've never made a mistake, or they just want to pretend like they've never made a mistake, right? Everybody's made mistakes in this game. Like if you're investing, if you're owning business, if you're doing anything big in the world, like you're making mistakes, right? It's real easy. It's real easy to talk about 0 to 200,000, right? Real easy. Not easy to talk about 2015 margin trading, short-term trading when I lost 75,000, right? Not fun stuff to talk about there. No, that's not that much fun, but I still talk about it. I still constantly talk about, well, obviously every month I talk about GoPro, and I'll do random GoPro videos just to bring it up. Like I don't shy away from the fact that I'm down huge. I'm doing this video today, not shying away from the fact that I'm down huge on my biggest investment. So that just builds credibility out there to the people that they say, okay, this, because I could have easily shied away from this, right? I could have killed off the 3 stocks or 4 stocks video I'm buying, right? I could have, just pretended like, oh, this never happened. I never invested in GoPro or whatever. I could have just made no videos about it or anything and just like acted like it never happened, right? I could have kept it private that I even own GoPro. I could have never made that information public, right? All these things I could have killed it off a long time ago. But the problem is, smart people would have seen that like, hey, you know what? Said he was in that stock, and then all of a sudden now he's acting like, he's not involved with it or something. He's making no videos about it. He's not mentioning it all. Like whatever happened there, people would pick up on that because people are, especially people that follow my channel, they're freaking smart, right? They would have picked up on that and said, oh, you know what? This guy, he doesn't have credibility. Like a lot of people respect me because of my credibility, because I'm actually out here talking about the stocks I actually own and why I own them. And if they do bad, then I'm the face of them doing bad. And if they do great, then I'm the face of that too, guys. So it definitely helped build credibility. And the number 3 reason is it gives trolls some ammo. And this kind of sounds funny, giving trolls some ammo. Well, there's something I've found with YouTube. Every single YouTube channel out there, to succeed, you need some trolls. Like you need some trolls. Like, and everybody on YouTube, regardless of how, there's some people on this platform, right, that are like hated and vilified or whatever. Even those people have way more people that love them than hate them. But what I've found is you need a few trolls, and this is this type of situation. This gives trolls some ammo. I get comments all the time that, GoPro this or GoPro that, and try to bring up GoPro, and, I got a lot of people rooting against me with GoPro. Like, and obviously I have way, way, way more people with me, right? It's like, 100 for every one that's against me. But those ones that are against me, they're important too, because they bring in views to the channel, they comment in some of that stuff, and this gives them some ammo, something fun to root against me, because sometimes you got to have some people rooting against you at the end of the day, guys. And I definitely have that with GoPros. A lot of people that want to see me lose my ass on it, like worse than what we're at down right now. There's a lot of people that want to see me lose everything on GoPro. They want to see me lose every dime on GoPro. Nothing would make them happier than seeing GoPro at $0. Like nothing would make them happier than GoPro or all my stocks going out of business. Like there's some people out there, and you can say it's sick or whatever, that want to see that. So this situation, it gives those trolls some ammo at least, so they can fire some shots at me and whatever. And you just gotta. For me, I don't even care about it, because when you're on YouTube and you start experiencing stuff, you get thick skin. I already had thick skin like way before YouTube, right? And once you get on that platform, like you get so much nasty stuff thrown at you all the time, because you got tens of thousands of people watching your channel every day. Like some people are just going to hate you or whatever, or say some nasty stuff just to say stuff. Like even the nicest channel, there could be a YouTube channel that talks all about curing cancer. And like, here's the thing to cure cancer, right? And here's how you can cure cancer. And it's 100% foolproof. You can absolutely cure cancer. Like there would be still some people out there that would be like, this is stupid, I hate you, you know, people need to get cancer, people need to die. Like, there would still be some trolls out there that, you know, would feel that way, and they would still get thumbs down in their videos and whatnot, guys. It's just the way YouTube works. That's the way the world works. So that's the other reason. But the main two is obviously, you know, avoiding the follow the leader situation. You know, I want people to go fish for themselves, not me fish for them. Although I enjoy sharing my investments and some of that stuff, I don't want people just blindly following me into whatever stocks I'm invested in. And the second one, building credibility. Those are the two main ones that are real reasons why I'm seriously happy GoPro has gone down and I'm down big on that position, because both those things would be a very different story if it had just happened to go up, guys. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this today. I don't know what else to say, so hope you enjoyed it. If you just came across this channel, you may want to subscribe. You guys, if you're watching this video, you're already a subscriber anyways. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day.